Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. These commands install the Pinta application, a lightweight and easy-to-use drawing and imaging editing tool, using the apt package manager. The second method to install Pinta is by flatpak. Run the next command to install flatpak into your Ubuntu system. Next, you need to install the flathub. Run the next command to install the flathub. Lastly, run the next command to install Pinta application from the flathub repository. Next, what you need to do is to go into your desktop. There you will see the Pinta application. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.